gonna make a ceiling fan video of my grandpa. I'm back on my grandpa. Oh, there it goes. But I'm only on high speed, but you know, I need a ladder. So, but it is so high. So, yeah. Oh my god. Let me see. Oh my god. Wait. I'm sorry for that, but I'm buying the camera for now. Oh my god. There we go. Ball chains wants us to break. So, I mean, we have some, but only, there it goes along. Yeah, I haven't tested already, but it will work. Oh my god. This is a Westinghouse ceiling fan, only it's from my grandpa town. It's not original white, I think. And Wildby, but he get it like this. But only the light was just loose. It's again loose, so yeah. Low speed. Oh, I need to. Oh god. Wait a second. I'm putting on medium. Sorry. It's not an easy video, sorry for that. So medium speed. I want to change longer, but I cannot, yeah. Just not, yeah. Catch them with my hand now. If I want, but it won't work, so. But this change you cannot help off, but it's just worn out too. It's just a really old antique ceiling fan, I think. But this, when the house was here, it was just more than 50 years old. So yeah, it will be old. And needs a new capacitor, as you can see. This goes not fast. So I'm laying the camera again. There we go. Sorry. There we go. Yeah, this is a little bit, it looks like now low, but it's just slow. But oh yeah. Now it's not almost medium, I think. But it is just high. So yeah. Yeah, I'm turning the light every time on, but yeah, if I'm turning it off, I've forgotten to turn them on, but my grandpa don't know how to work this fan, so let's turn them off. Yeah, there we go. Oh, now I get the hatchet, sorry. Oh my god. I think now it's off. Oh god. He's off. Final. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not falling off, but it was nearby, so yeah, that's why I can't catch the train. So it's not fine. It's not fine to pull the trains too. But yeah, let's see. Let's put the light on. I cannot see how the light turning on is. Whoa. Wait a second. I'm not all to fall. Oh, Scully. On the train. Oh wait, I need to turn them off, yeah. Now I'll let you see how the style look like. Yeah, that's like this. Yeah, I'm turning it on again. So let me check that. Oh, this is a easier. Like that. Thanks for watching.